Hey guys, so it's me, Kiani. Today's video, I'm back with another hair tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how I get my hair back from being straight to curly. This is the last clip of my last video, and I know you're like, "Dad, Kiani, you just straightened your hair and you're already back curly." Yeah, I'll explain. Just give me just a moment. But let's enjoy these slows of this straight, and we'll have to get back to that in a few weeks. So as you can see right now, I'm actually wearing a cast. A few weeks ago, I was diagnosed with a broken radius bone. Follow me on my Instagram. I explain to you guys a little bit more in depth. And if you follow me on Facebook Live, we really get into all the tea of what happened to my arm. So make sure that you go ahead and follow me on all my social media links to never miss another upload. And now we're going to turn this hair back from straight. This is what's left over from probably, I'm going to say about 3 days of my hair being straight. So I'm going to shampoo it with my Mixed Chick sulfate free shampoo. I'm going to definitely deep condition it with the Mixed Chick deep conditioner, and of course use the Olaplex number 3. So let me go ahead and go through that process, and I'll pop right back in and you'll see, bam, curls. And is there anyone else that's a nightmare before coffee? Or is it just me? Comment down below. So you see that my curls are back in full effect. I was really examining them. You notice that I put a plastic glove on my hand so I could actually really rely on the fingertips to feel if my hair was feeling a little bit brittle, feeling a little too dry. And nope, that wasn't the result. So I'm going to grab my Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to saturate the hair to make sure that I do go ahead and start locking that moisture back in. And my strands, you'll see on the right side, or technically my left, but you're right, they were already starting to dry out, because it does take me a little bit longer to distribute product in my hair. So I did use a water bottle in the process and just rejuvenated it. But you'll see that even on the ends of my hair that has a lot more color, the hair just really snapped back to being curly, and I'm super excited about that. I'm definitely going to be straightening my hair more this fall, but it's definitely going to take me a few weeks to get the cast off. And I'm sorry that the lighting is not as great. I didn't get the settings fixed on this camera until after this video, so I apologize, but I didn't want to not show you guys this footage because of the lighting. So you can actually see I'm pulling my hair back. And this is something that I've noticed that my hair definitely does better on day 2. So I just kind of pulled it up in a scrunchie, and I'm actually struggling with that, basically one arm, because they cast me up to my elbow. So it basically keeps me from torting my wrist the way I needed to get this up as fast as I used to. But you know what, we're going to make do with it. So I basically go ahead and pull my hair up in a ball and basically allow it to air dry, but also it allows that curl to snap back in because it's basically crimped in there. So just in case it was going to be some stragglers, this definitely fits the trick. And I'm just not good at doing my hair all at one day anymore, because I need it to air dry. Trying to, you know, blow dry it or straighten it or any of those things, it's just too much to do with one hand. So this actually came in handy, and this is something I've just been doing. I'll leave the leave-in conditioner in. I'll kind of play with my edges just a little bit so I can go about my day if I have any errands to run. It just basically looks like I did put a little bit of effort into my hair. And yeah, and this is the day 2. Pop back in. I actually did get around to recording this makeup tutorial, so it's already up on my channel for you guys that are interested. But you will see this is after my hair air dried overnight, and I basically just diffused it. And again, working with that one hand, I'm just going to grab my pick and just really pull it out at the root. And this, you guys, I love it. My hair just seemed like it was stretched a little bit because I did straighten it, but the curl is still there. So I'm super excited that I found a great blowout routine and an even better way to snap my curls right back into place after I do so. So there you have how I brought my hair back to curly using the Olaplex number 3, of course. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you follow me on all my social media links to never miss another upload. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that bell. Also click that subscribe button so the next time I upload, you will be notified. Until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hugs and kisses. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.